Hello everyone, it's a great pleasure to be over here, an organization, World Research Forum for researchers and engineers. I'm truly honored to be invited as the keynote speaker. I had an amazing session over here. We were able to see the cultural differences in so many aspects. So overall, greatly organized.
Today, I'm attending this international conference in Bali. My paper is about Sri Pinang as a social negotiation in Dawan community. Social innovation is not about something new, but it is about something rooted in the community. This paper can give many insight for the audience, so they can also learn about this culture in Indonesia.